Name 5 things that are orange.
My car, the stripes on my car.
No, that doesn't count. That's your car and the stripes on your car are the same thing.
Okay. An orange. That shirt. 5 things that are orange. God, this is a whole lot harder than I thought.
Yeah. Stumped them.
Yeah. What else is orange? Neck bands, like the Knox Energy
All right, I'll give that to you.
bands. Flag.
Flag. What flag?
That one over there.
Oranges. The sun.
Okay.
Knox logo, kinda.
Okay. Yeah.
Blue and orange. Trying to think of a sprint car driver. Orange. Oh, Tyler Courtney's Indy Race Parts car. What's orange? Oh, official orange, like construction shirts.
All right, we'll go with that.
Okay.
All right.
Carrots, oranges, pumpkins, orange juice. Does that count? That's good. And Ricky Fowler.
5 things are orange. Tasker Phillips' car. I'd say the Cleveland Browns, even though they call them the Browns, looks orange to me. I don't know. Yeah, basketball. There we go with that. Sammy Swindell's car, parts of it, and what else can I think of? Something else orange. Tiger.
5 things that are orange. Well, an orange. Hunting vest. That's orange. Some are orange. Joe Dirt's car. All I can think about is cars. What about the General Lee? It's another car. That's orange. I gotta have one more.
Yeah.
That's 4, right? Gosh, Kevin's got so many different paint schemes. Surely he's had an orange car by now, hadn't he? Help me out. What's the 5th one?
Basketball, traffic cone, carrot.
I'll go with carrot.
Go-to drink and dingus.
Jack and Coke.
What's your go-to drink and dingus?
Green flag.
Go-to drink at Dingus. Crown apple cranberry juice.
Go-to drink at Dingus. I'll go with Andy Reinbold to be proud of this. Probably DiSerono. Yeah.
Okay. Who's got the best looking hair in the pits?
I don't know. I think Brian Brown's just got a good flow. He's got a good flow going, and I think that's probably a common answer. I'd say.
Who's got the best hair in the pits?
Myself.
I kind of Carson Macedo is pretty cool.
Rico Abro.
Who's got the best looking hair in the pits?
Kevin Thomas Jr.